If you're a nature lover, you need to know about the giant stick insect. In the lush forests of Australia and New Guinea lives one of the largest insects in the world, the giant stick insect. This incredible insect can grow up to 10 centimeters long. And guess what? It sports vibrant colors ranging from green to brown and gray. But don't be fooled by its size. The giant stick insect is a gentle vegetarian feeding on plants and leaves. During mating, it makes a distinctive clicking sound that's almost like a secret signal. Beyond being a giant bug, it plays a crucial role in the ecosystem, helping keep the forest in balance. So next time you're out in the wild, keep an eye out for this amazing insect.